Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a spice cake recipe. I actually really like spice cake. It is a cake with lots of different spices in it. For example, cinnamon and cloves and nutmeg and ginger, and it just has a lot of flavor. And it's one of my favorites, so let's get started. Let's start off with our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, ½ cup or 125 grams of butter, 1½ cups or 300 grams of sugar, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract or 1½ teaspoons vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, 1¼ cup or 280 milliliters of buttermilk. First off, combine all the dry ingredients. This will help the spices to be evenly spread through the batter. Then, in a large mixing bowl, cream the butter. Combine with the sugar. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Beat in dry ingredients alternating with buttermilk until both are completely combined. Pour batter into greased and lined baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. I'm using this cake for a carved cake, so I'm not going to level it, but I will cut the cake into 2 layers so I can show you the inside. This cake is nice and soft but stable and has lots of flavor with the spices. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.